Here we go, we're fucking making a cooking video. I don't know why, but here we are. This is where we ended up in life. And yeah. Nah, I'm just kidding. Alright everybody, today I'm gonna show y'all how to make the easiest sandwich, but the best tasting sandwich in the whole wide world. We ain't gonna use that wok, but we're gonna use that top. Soap on that skillet now. I just like to wash it, make sure there ain't no floating hair around, you know, because we got cats and dogs in this house. So I'm gonna start. I got some sourdough, and this ain't like authentic, really good sourdough like my girl has. She cooks some good ones in there. It's just the way she cuts it, you know. I can't make a sandwich out of it, so we're gonna use that store-bought sourdough. I'm gonna use some of that country rock butter. Put that on the bread. We're gonna let that burn, son. We use paper so we don't have to wash, you know what I mean? Alright. So what you want is to get your bread, most important thing of the recipe. I don't even know what I'm doing, but I love making sandwiches. And this sandwich is alright. It's good, but it's not. The thing that makes it the best is the dough. I don't know about y'all, but that shit's good. So this is simple. It's like a little snack. You know, I mean, it's a meal in itself, but we're gonna get this in because I've been on a fast for like the past week, barely eating anything. So it's, you know, it felt really good. So these sandwiches, they kind of, I don't know, they made me feel pretty good and not too filling, you know? That makes sense. So we're gonna go ahead and toss these on there. Boom, boom. All right, so next, while we wait for that, pop my spinach, because we got spinach, we need that iron, right? Get a ton of iron in red meat, but we ain't got no red meat. Got some roast beef. Once the bread gets all toasted up, we're gonna throw the spinach on there. Oh wait, forgot, I'm making turkey bacon. All right, I jumped ahead. We gotta throw that turkey bacon on first. I like to put a little olive oil in there, a little olive oil. Can't go wrong with it. These are nice, long, and thick. That's what she said, so we're gonna only use 2. We're gonna wrap that up later. Put it back up. Alright. We'll be done with that. So everything's side right there. Turkey bacon ain't nothing special, but if you know what it tastes like, it is pretty special. Special. About fucked up. Now remember, you always gotta butter both sides. Don't be like me and forget. Oh, it's a lot of butter. Country style, son, country style. You know anything about that country style. Butter makes the world go round. The best mayonnaise is this, that Japanese mayonnaise. Oh my God, this stuff's amazing. I ain't even lying, like for real. Not even just for the video, that shit's fucking awesome. Some good shit. Now for the I got double turkey and roast beef. I don't know, some public shit. It's alright. I usually get the boar's head, everything. This is cheese, but I ain't gonna lie, the price has gone up, so we're sticking to this. Still good. Not complaining. Cut. Now, it's a cold sandwich with warm turkey bacon on it. Kind of I like it. I don't know. A full warm sandwich, yeah, is good. Full cold is good. But I like having all the original meat cold, you know, like it should be, and then throwing a nice warm fucking cooked piece of meat like turkey bacon and regular bacon on it. It just makes it really good. It's kind of like a BLT, but with other meats that are cold. Got that nice and sizzled up. Get that burn on, get that burn. Something I like to do is throw the spinach on with the bread. Makes it go a lot fast. I'll throw olive oil on there, but not till my bread's off. This olive oil will make the bread soggy. I don't want that. I don't want that soggy bread. And who I want that soggy bread? We don't want that soggy bread. Hell nah. Alright, well the bread's soggy anyways. Fuck it. Fuck it. I like to salt my spinach up. Alright, so I'm gonna dress this up. We're gonna just spread that spinach out. I'm not saying the spinach tastes amazing, but is good for you, so keep it there. All right. So now we're gonna throw 1 slice of roast beef. All right, it's all fucked up, but it's good for flavor. You know what I'm gonna do actually, just to get that cheese kind of melted? This right here. Boom. And boom. I don't know what kind of cheese it is, but it's damn good. I'm actually just gonna do one of those. What is this one? This one's hickory smoked. Yeah, that's a good one. Bim, bim. Turn that thing around, Terry. Alright. Throw some of that mustard. Spill a little bit. I usually use Dijon spicy mustard, but this is what I got right now. It's pretty good. Oh! Hit it in the head, Terry. Oh wait. Y'all see that? What a dope. So on this, I just like to spread that dough. I like to spread that dough on now. I know a lot of y'all gonna be watching this like, what the hell is this boy cooking? Man, don't knock it till you try it now. Alright, so it's not crunchy like I wanted it to be. But hey, we got her. Boom, boom. Now we're gonna leave everything here and we're gonna eat it. We're gonna try it out. Alright, y'all, let's get dirty. Look at that. For a nice little comfort, simple meal at the house, you gotta get that turkey. That turkey bacon, it's amazing. I think it makes the whole sandwich. Like I said, it's super simple, not a fucking Gordon Ramsay recipe here, but oh man, it's awesome. I look, just wanted to share it with you guys. That's a fucking 10 out of 10. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. Love you.